Welcome to Bixby Walk, an exceptional townhome community here in Long Beach, California. Let's take a tour and see what living here has to offer. Here at Bixby Walk, you can have peace of mind with our Live Better, eco-efficient, and smart home features. From solar energy and touchless faucets to Nest Hello devices and all-electric appliances. Cooking and entertaining guests will be a breeze in your spacious gourmet kitchen. All Bixby Walk homes have plenty of counter space, great storage, and all-electric state-of-the-art appliances. When living in Southern California, spending time outdoors is a must. Kick back on your private deck, grab your favorite beverage, and enjoy. Bixby Walk homes offer up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. All of your favorite eateries will be within reach when you live in this walkable Bixby Knolls neighborhood, like Rasselbach Kitchen and Beer Garden, Bacon Broil, Hero Nori Craft Ramen, and Steel Craft. Whether you love beer or coffee, there's a variety of options for you, including Beechwood Brewing, Smog City Brewing, Phil's Coffee, Steelhead Coffee, and Rad Coffee. It doesn't get much better than to be just minutes away from your favorite shops and restaurants here at Bixby Walk. Ready for an adventure? Long Beach Airport is just minutes away. If you're visiting a further destination, LAX is another close option for international travel. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our model home here at Bixby Walk, and I hope you get a chance to come by and visit us real soon. We look forward to seeing you.